How to get my AI on Snapchat. A few months ago, Snapchat introduced its AI, and today we'll show you how to set up and use AI on Snapchat. Before you begin, make sure your Snapchat app is updated. Open the Snapchat application. There are two ways to find your AI. One way is to swipe to the right, and at the top of your chat list, you will see My AI. The other way is to click on the chat icon, and again, My AI will appear. Now, let's open a chat with My AI. You can send it any message, and it will respond very quickly. There are also many personalized stickers that you can use in your communication with My AI. We hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to our channel and support our work.